Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
Today's product, we have the Sealey multi-purpose ladder EN131 adjustable height. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. The EN131 certified 4-way 4-section aluminium ladder with mechanical swage joints and 6 robust auto-latching locking hinges allows for multi-positioning. It can be used as a platform, straight ladder, step ladder or offset ladder. With extra safety provided by 12 reinforced rungs and stabiliser feet, fitted with extendable legs providing increased climbing height. It is supplied with metal platform to use in platform or scaffold positions. The specifications include the following. The extension ladder height minimum and maximum is 2,480mm and 3,370mm. The folded depth is 340mm and has a folded height of 910mm. The maximum capacity is 150 kg and has a net weight of 40.5 kg. The platform height is 650 to 910mm and the step ladder height minimum to maximum is 1,380mm to 1,645mm. It has 12 treads and has a width of 730mm. The material is made out of aluminium and the type of ladder is an adjustable ladder. Founded in 1978, Sealey is known internationally as a leading brand of professional tools and workshop equipment. The Sealey range of tools and equipment is designed with the professional user in mind. Thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.